How to schedule a text message on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Vishakha and welcome to our channel Create, Login and Delete. Let's get right into the tutorial. Scheduling a text message on an iPhone is quite simple. All you have to do is open the Shortcuts application on your device. If for some reason you do not have the Shortcuts application on your device, then you can easily download it from the App Store. Once you have opened Shortcuts, tap on the automation option you see on the bottom center of your screen. You will now see all the automations on your iPhone. I will just delete my previous automations. Now tap on New Automation option and select the Time of Day option. Select when you want to repeat the message. I will select monthly. Now select the date. I will select the date to 1 month from today. You can also select the time of the day when you want the message to pop and now tap on Next. You will automatically see the option for Send Message. Tap on that. Now you will see the message option in faded blue color. Tap on that and enter the message. I will just write Happy Birthday here. You can write anything you want. Now tap on the recipients option in the faded blue color again and select the person you want to send text message to and tap on Done and then tap on Done again. Now tap on Automation we just set and then tap on Automation option. Select the Run Immediately option. In the pop-up that appears, tap on Don't Ask and now tap on Done. With this, the automation is all set and the scheduled text message will be sent on the scheduled date and time. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.